Now, we are gonna proceed to our next corner, which is, for this, the last segment, for Chemin to in Manila. Kaya nga lang, ito na ang ating last segment.
아쉬워요?
Are you sad?
별로 방금 반응이 별로 안 아쉬워 보였어가지고.
Or parang hindi naman kayo masyadong malungkot?
Nalungkotan niyo ba?
눈물 흘려야 될 것 같아요. 눈물
Kailangan
흘려야
umiyak kayo.
Iyak daw. Okay, 3, 2, and action!
I'm cute, I'm cute. 이거 하고 싶었어요, I'm cute.
Gusto ko talaga sabihin na ang cute eh.
So, because we understand that feeling very well, the last corner has been prepared as a time for you, the fans, and Chemin to get closer. So then, Chemin, please explain what the next corner will be.
네, 세 번째 코너는 챔 미션입니다.
So the next corner is Cham Mission.
지금부터 여러분과 제가 한 팀이 되는 거예요, 한 팀이.
So tayo, you and I will become one team.
챔, CHAEM, 이제 5 철자잖아요. 이제 5개 이제 미션이 존재할 겁니다.
So the letter CHAEM, di ba 5 letra? There will be 5 different missions.
우리가 같이 3개 이상의 미션을 통과를 하면 제가 여러분들께 깜짝 또 기프트를 드릴 겁니다.
And if you succeed more than 3 missions out of 5, there will be a surprise gift.
Yes! So narinig niyo yun, kailangan magawa niya yung 3 out of 5 along with the Filipino Chems para magkaroon tayo ng gift. Okay? Para kumina yung energy, okay? Very good. So now, let's have our first keyword and mission.
잠시만요.
Sandali lang po.
Ayusin lang yan. Di ba kahit nalagay lang siya ng papel, wapo na din. Delikado yung natititigan ka nito.
Okay na po.
Ayun na.
더우신 거 아니에요?
Hindi ba kayo naiinitan?
Ano, naiitan ka? Alright, answer sa'yo. Okay. So our first letter and first mission is letter C, challenge. So we are gonna start with a challenge. So this time, Chemin needs to take on the challenge and succeed. Kailangan magawa niya ang challenge at magtagumpay. At ang ating unang challenge ay tinatawag na
이거 되게 유명한 노래인 거예요.
This is a very popular song.
very popular.
이 제목이 뜻이 뭐예요? 마리킷사딜린?
Ano ibig sabihin ng marikitsa?
Marikit is maganda. Correct? Marikit, di ba? Namamaganda? Okay, marikit is
되게 아름답다.
yes.
Ganda.
Dark is beautiful? 뭐예요?
No. In the dark, there's someone beautiful.
아, 아름다움? 지금 여기가 어둠 속에 아름다움인 것 같아요.
Lahat kayo ang gaganda din kasi.
Yes. Huwag natin patagalin pa, pinapahaba mo. So, kailangan gawin mo na to. Ready na ba?
준비해볼게요.
Okay,
Yes, I'll be ready.
한번 다시 볼 수 있을까요?
Okay,
Can I watch once more?
Alright. Kumanta tayo, guys.
Tinitingnan ko, nabitan ko hanggang sa may diwata na pagdilag ko na
한번 해볼까요?
Okay.
Should I try?
The mic. You can find the way out there. Okay. Alright, and one more, Tashi. One more, and 3, 2, and cue.
tinitingnan ko hanggang sa may diwata na pagdilag ko na
알겠습니다.
Okay, one more, one more.
Alright.
Bigger movements, bigger expressions. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, cue.
Tinitigan ko,
Oh, yan.
kaibigan ko Hanggang sa madiwala na mag-iingat ko Nalasing
It was so hard.
Very good. Maya was perfect for you. You look so cool.
감사합니다.
Salamat po.
Alright, so it's a success. So naka 1 point na si Chemin at tayong lahat. Kahit wala naman talaga tayong lahat. Parang sure naman na nakakuha ng points doon. Now let's proceed to our next keyword, letter H. Harmony. Okay, so for this one, this is a mission where chemistry between the champs and of course, Chemin, ay talagang masusubok ang ating connection. Carry niyo ba? Alright, and basically, he will secretly try a food. He will secretly try a dish, pagkain. Huhulaan niyo kung ano ang kinakain niya sa pamamagitan ng kanyang reaksyon.
되게 어려울 것 같아요.
Parang ang hirap.
Mahirap talaga, kaya nga ginawang challenge. Diba?
그렇네요.
Oo nga naman.
Yes, at dahil dyan, ilabas na natin ang pagkain. What do you think? Are you confident with this one?
자신 있습니다.
Yes, I'm very ready and
Okay,
confident.
Ay!
아세요?
Okay,
Alam mo to, Miss Cream?
of course.
되게 맛있어 보이는데요?
Parang mukha naman talaga masarap.
Okay.
So can I smell it first?
You cannot show, Okay. What's the smell?
이거 말해도 되는 거예요? 이거 비밀하는 거.
So am I allowed to say?
Just the smell would be okay, I think. It's okay.
약간 달고
Something very sweet.
Sweet!
아닌가?
Pagkain ba?
한국 같은데 아닌가요?
Sweet
달콤한
smell.
You
향이
can
나요.
try.
알겠습니다. 먹어보겠습니다.
Sige po, I'll try po.
Alright. Please come forward and express the feelings with your body in action. Okay. Tignan nyo para mahulaan nyo. Ito yung dasa. Kaya mo. So, pagkakain daw niya para daw umulan. Bumaha. Flood control. Okay, so that's the feeling. Anong texture? Sige. Go. Okay. Bird, it's a bird. It's a chicken? It's a bee. It's a mosquito? Mosquito. Bee. Hindi yun. Sure ako, hindi yun. Mali. I think. What is the, feel the flavor. Feel it. Pum. ask them. Okay, hint. I'm gonna give them a hint. Otherwise, we're not gonna finish.
주세요.
Hint.
Yes, please give a hint.
It's soft. Yun pala yun,
Ayan,
yung
wala.
soft.
Hindi ba ito?
Okay, so soft, it's a soft. Meron ba nakakaano dyan? Taas ang kamay, ha? Wait, sorry. Meron ba tayong mic for the audience para mag-decide? Yes, ano po? Mango? It's not mango. Not mango. Yes, ano po? Siopaw? It's... Siopaw, ginulot? Kinutsara, siopaw. Ano ba tsara yung siopaw ni? Okay, more hint. Let's plan is correct!
Let's
Plan! Kayo ka nga, ano pangalan mo? Gina. Say hi to Gina. Paano mo naisip na leche flan doon sa ganun-ganun niya? So, sweet. Why is the B? Why?
그러니까 허니 약간
Honey 없어요.
뭐?
No honey. 설탕만, sugar lang.
그 약간 달콤한 게 꿀처럼 느껴졌나 봐요.
It's ano?
Something sweet felt like a honey.
No, but it's just egg. It's just egg.
속았어.
I was fooled. I thought my honey kasi.
But
It's so delicious.
they're very delicious. Congrats. Thank you so much, Gina, for getting it correct. Maraming salamat. Congrats. Palakpakan naman natin si Chemin at si Gina. We got one more point.
잘 못한 것 같아요.
Oreo.
Parang hindi ako magaling.
Hindi, mahusay ka. Sa pagpapakilig. Okay, ano sa'yo? Medyo nahirapan tayo dun Grabe yung siopaw, ni. Yung tsara na siopaw. Ayun. You know what she said? You know what she said? Something
Ano
like,
sabi niya?
ano nga yung siopaw sa Korean, Ara?
Oppa?
Oppa.
오빠.
Oppa nga niya. Alright. So we got 2 points, correct? Yes. Palakpakan naman ang sarili natin. Naka 2 points. Are you having fun?
재밌는데.
Yes, I'm having
Are you
fun.
guys having fun? Very good. And because we are having fun, let's proceed to our next letter or keyword. Okay. In Chinese, project quiz. Alright, so for this one, we will give you a quiz about the work of the Chemin has appeared in. Kailangan nyo mahulaan ng correct answer para makapag-proceed sa next keyword. And Chemin, you are not allowed to speak.
알겠습니다.
Okay?
Okay po.
Kapon naman, magkasigitad lang kami. Okay. This is the frame. So you have to guess ano yung dish na kinakain sa scene na ito. Alright.
덕분에 셰프를 열심히 보셨다면 맞출 수 있을 거라고 저는 믿어 의심치 않습니다.
You know, I'm very confident if you watch the Bon Appetit, Your Majesty, you'll definitely get this answer right.
Alright, do you guys remember? No hint, okay? Is there anyone who can...
Kasi 정답
Bibimbap? No. And no. Anyone? Yes, ma'am. Ha? Ano ba? Hindi ko po marinig eh. Beef?
소고기,
Sogogi?
beef.
No, it's not beef. Yeah. Ah?
된장 파스타.
Ayan. So, ibang pasta no? Yes. Chicken? Chicken is
Chicken? No.
May chicken kung paano? Yes. Ha? Macaron?
No.
No. Oh my God, kami na kukuha. May sumagot ka nani. Ikaw. Chicken, pork. Pero hindi yun. Alin, kung ano sinabi mo? Ha? Duck, I think duck hindi.
이렇게 되면 아니면 제가 힌트를 조금 드릴까요?
Shall we give them a little
Okay,
hint?
hint.
저기 제 눈을 보시면은 되게 뭔가 불꽃처럼 되게 뭔가 새가 날아다니는 것 같지 않아요?
So if you look closely into my eyes, you will see that there's like a fire na parang may ibon na lumilipad.
Aha, that's the hint. That's the hint. Hint. Hindi mo, libro yan. Wala mo na. Ay, sobrang, okay, sobrang dali nito, promise. It's when we went Korean food also. Ha? Second lang, no. Oh my gosh. Should we give more hint?
다 줄 것 같은데 이러면.
Parang I'll be giving all the answers.
That's true, that's true. If we say,
첫 번째 단어
Well, first letter,
3.
it starts with Sam.
yes. Samgyetang is,
맞습니다.
yes.
Correct.
아니 근데 이거 제가 다 준 것 같은데요.
Your part, I gave out all the answers.
Yes.
맞아요? 삼계탕이라고 했어요?
Are you sure you said samgyetang?
했어요?
Did you really say samgyetang?
Sabi mo kaya Peking duck, ano sinungaling ka? Ha? O hindi ka na nagtaas ng kamay, so paano? Alright, so in this one, in all of your, in all of your eating scenes, you always look so happy. Right? Diba? Sobrang talagang happy-happy yung character. Among the foods that you ate in the series, what was the most delicious for you? Ang sarap mo.
사실 다 먹어보니까 다 너무 맛있었어요 실제로는.
You know, in real, when we had all this food, lahat talaga masarap.
근데 유독 맛있었던 게 마카롱 있잖아요 마카롱.
But the most delicious one that I remember, you know, the macaroon.
제가 원래 그렇게 달콤한 디저트를 그렇게 썩 좋아하진 않는데
You know, I'm not really that much fond of sweet desserts.
근데 생각보다 달지 않으면서 쑥 인절미 같은 흑임자 같은 그런 좀 고소한 맛이 좀 나서 되게 맛있게 먹었습니다.
But I really liked it because it was not very, very sweet and it had a very authentic Korean flavors like the injalmi and like made of the seaweed, sesame seeds I mean. So I really like the savory flavor of the macarons.
Ah, alright. And of course, this drama, Bon Appetit, Your Majesty, became the first TVN series to enter Netflix Global Top 10 non-English TV shows for 2 consecutive weeks. After the broadcast, what moment made you feel like, oh my God, sikat na ako? Kapag ganun ka ba?
This moment.
Wow! Ang husay sumagot. Pakol ng pakol. Kakainis. And of course, what was your favorite scene from Bon Appetit, Your Majesty?
저는 두 가지 장면을 뽑을 수 있을 것 같아요. 좀 마지막 화쯤에 속하는데요.
Well, there are 2 scenes that I want to share. I think it really is from the last, one of the last episodes.
일단은 지영을 떠나보낼 때 되게 슬펐던 것 같고
The part wherein when I had to let her go, it was like so sad.
그리고 지영과 재회를 하고 하는 키스씬이 되게 아름답게 나온 것 같아요.
And as we met together with Chiang, you know, the kiss scene, I think it was very beautiful. So I really like those 2 scenes.
Alright, talagang naalala niyo yung mga scenes na yun, no? Talaga naman nakakakilig. And of course, thanks to Manila Champs for getting it right. Successful ang mission. And for that, we will proceed to our 4th keyword and mission. Letter E for exciting. Wow, gaano ka exciting kaya? Okay, So the fourth word for our keywords, fourth alphabet is exciting. And from now on, tayo ay maglalaro kasama ng isang audience member. Alright, so we will have a lucky fan up here on stage. And basically the actor, Chamin, will explain using his body gestures kung ano yung word. And if you get 5 seconds right within the 60-second time limit, the mission is a success. Alright, Chamin and Cham, are you both ready?
네, 준비됐습니다.
Alright!
Yes, I'm ready.
So,
근데 누구랑 하죠?
But who will I do with?
you have to choose. You have to choose.
I think there's a lot who really wants to play this game with me.
많으니까 제가 그러면은 기준을 정하겠습니다.
For that, I'll make a category.
저와 같은 청자켓을 입은 사람 선택해주세요.
Can you raise hands those who are wearing maong na jacket like me? Denim
청자켓을
jacket.
입으신 분.
Denim shirts and jackets.
어휴. 어떻게
Denim jackets.
Ay, si ano? Si Lecha Plan? Okay, Lecha Plan, akyat! Akyat, Lecha Plan. Oh, birthday mo today? Oh my gosh! Sabagay na hulaan mo si Lecha Plan. Here. Over here. Dito ka mahirap from this time. What's your name?
Hi, 안녕하세요. I'm Gina Imida.
Gina. Gina.
지나.
Gina. Lou. Okay, so basically, Chamin, you already know the instructions, right? You already know the mechanics. Gina, this is, you're given 60 seconds para mahulaan yung mga words. Pwede ka mag-pass. Kailangan mahulaan mo within 60 seconds, 5 words.
Go! Laban, Pilipinas! Laban, Philippines!
Mag-split ka muna.
I think to say
파이팅!
Para.
파이팅! 우와! 와.
Okay,
Wow.
ano ka ba-excited?
Grabe ka rin. Yes! Yes! Ayusin na! Sono!
전화?
Okay,
Salamat po.
you have 60 seconds. Hindi mo pwedeng matignan yung, dapat ka na-content mo. Come forward. Come with me. Come with me to the back. Uy! Bawal. Dito ka lang.
알겠습니다.
Diyan lang. Okay. Kayo, you will also see the words flash on the screen. Pwede mag-pass, ha? Pero tatakpan kita kasi bawal manduruga dito. Okay? Alright. Timing. Okay? Please do well. Because in the Leche Plan, what was that? Okay, better. Okay? Ayun pa natin. Okay, 10. Timer. Gina ko ba? Timer. Start. Ako pala. Sorry. Timer starts now.
Tao? Bird? Dog? Puppy? Key? What's that? 전화. Jimmy! Boy!
Ano ba?
Pass! Heart!
Okay, heart to heart.
Love? Cute? Kyamda? Pass! Yak! Bird! Eagle! Eagle! Forwards! Hearts!
5, correct? We got 5! We got 5! We got 5!
맞았어요?
5! Alright.
So we got it right.
Congratulations! The mission was a success! Congratulations! Maraming salamat, Gina. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Mag-spit ulit. Saka, one last. Bakit ka nandito sa person?
너무 재밌으신 분이시죠?
Ah,
You're very fun and
yes, very fine. And congratulations, you got everything correct. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Gina, to be fair naman sa'yo, tinayo mo ang bandila ng mga Pilipino. To be fair sa'yo, hindi ka malilimutan ni Jelly nagsaspit sa stage. Alright, congratulations!
Gina! 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 Gina!
Gina,
They were cheering for her.
you're great, Gina.
Woo! Alright. Please take your seat because we're kinda, parang napagod kami doon. Di ba kayo napagod? Parang ako napagod pa sa kakasplit niya. But congratulations because we got it correct. It was a success. The mission was a success. And now, are you ready for our last mission or keyword?
좋습니다. 근데 사실 저희가 지금 이미 3개 이상을 성공한 것 같긴 한데
yes, I'm ready. But didn't we already pass the 3 points na tayo? We
Yes.
did.
그래도 하는 게 맞겠죠?
But we really have to continue, right?
But we forgot.
좋습니다.
Yes, we forgot already. So now, let's proceed to the last one, which is memory. Tell me your win. Alright, so before the show, sinulat kayo ng mga hiling na hopefully mag-grant ni Chenny. Okay. And Cherry will choose one of those wish notes and he will fulfill that fan's wish hopefully until the fan feels satisfied. And the success or failure of the mission will be judged by the fans. So Cherry, please pick a wish.
한번 볼게요.
First one. It's not just one fan. It's a lot of fans. Alright. May mga Tagalog ba dito? Let's see. What are the wishes?
좋아요.
Okay.
Okay.
There was one person that said,
Can you greet me happy birthday?
can you give me happy birthday kung sino man ikaw?
그리고 제가 생일이시면은 선물로 같이 셀카도 찍어드릴게요.
Well, if it's your birthday, I'll also get a selfie with you.
누구세요?
Wait, is it your birthday today?
Can you raise your hand? Who wrote this?
Do you have ID? Okay ka? I will check. I will inspect the ID. Because for this one, tayo talaga ini-inspect natin eh. Hindi tayo basta-basta nagpapasa ng proyekto at ina-approve.
So now we know that it's your birthday.
Right side daw po. Right side daw po. Yeah. Here, over here. Pa-double check na lang, Simon, ang kanyang ID para sure na birthday na ngayon, November 23. Ayan. You're gonna have a selfie with her? Wow. Okay. Come on, come up on stage. Hi, ang swerte mo naman. Ano pong pangalan natin?
Charlene.
Charlene. Happy birthday, Charlene. Alam ko, hindi mo naman gusto ang bati ko. Kaya, si Charlene, mabati sa iyo. Happy birthday. Akin ka, parang wag ka na lang, para sure, oo. Baka
Shaolin?
Charlene.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Marshallin. Happy birthday to you.
Sa kanila, and you wanna take a selfie with her? I'll go with it. Wow. Totoong birthday ni Charlene. Totoong birthday ni Charlene.
Charlene.
Bye daw! Uy, babay daw! Magpaalam ka! Babay daw!
Bye, Charlene.
Happy birthday.
Grabe nung fan, hindi naman grabe yung fan service ah. Alright. Are you ready to grant someone? Grant naman, siguro masaya ka naman, di ba?
준비됐습니다.
Yes, I'm ready for the next wish.
Ready for the next wish. O, kaya hanap tayo ng... Ito naiintindihan natin.
Pwede siya maghanap.
Kasi nagawa na yung Zelda eh. So, siguro iba. Aha. Chemin, pwede bang pabakas? Wala. Parang hindi naman kayo masyadong nag-wish. But you decide.
아,
If there's a Korean, we can also do it. 괜찮아요? Okay. Okay. Alright, we got one more.
Dear Chaemin, be happy, healthy, always. Can I get a hug?
Sino ito? Ang pangalan niya ay Sarah. With an H, letter C, Sarah! Come on, Sarah! Halika, may ID ka ba? Maka-verify natin sa mga DTI representative. Kasi dito sa talagang sa Chemin to you, bawal ang manduruga. Masyadong marami yan sa gobyerno. Let's go! Okay, duwa pa yan talaga ang kanyang ID para ipa-verify kay Simon. Pwede rin po tayo mag-double time. Binabantay. Okay, let's go! Sarah! Come on, Sarah! Verify! Let's go, Sarah! Is it okay? Huh?
Yeah.
Alright. Perfect. Wow! Sarah! Come on, Sarah! Ang munting prinsesa. Kamusta ang patatas? Alright, Sarah. Yeah, okay. Are you ready to hug Timmy?
Front hug or back hug?
Front hug! Back hug! The present is hug away. Thank you so much, Sarah. Maraming salamat, Sarah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sarah. Hindi siya matapos, oh. Wala ka na, Sarah. Iba pa. Alright. Let's have one more. Zoom in with one more.
마지막 하나죠?
Alright.
So last,
Last. Alright, naghahanap pa po kami dito. Talagang masinsinan ang aming paghahanap ng wish. Hindi wala na gusto ng bagong cellphone.
되게 핸드폰이요.
cellphone.
그래야죠.
Pero kung yan yung wish, kailangan natin bilhan.
고민되네요. 이게 마지막 또 하나라고 하니까.
Well, because it's the last, nagpapaisip talaga ako kung ano pipiliin natin.
되게 셀카 같이 찍자고 하시는 분들이 되게 많은 것 같아가지고요.
I think marami ang nag-request ng selfie.
Yes. Kaya na nga eh, mahirap i-identify kung sino yun.
So, ano kaya yung maganda? Can you recommend one?
Ako, of course, I'm looking for it. Kasi medyo same-same yung iba.
그러니까요.
Oo nga po eh.
그냥 좋은 말씀 써주신 분들도 많고요.
And a lot of you actually left me a very good, sweet messages.
Okay. Yung kuko ko natanggal.
May glue ako!
Are you okay? So parang on and off?
It's a press on it.
진짜.
Are you sure okay ka lang?
어디 갔지?
Ito.
So where's your wish?
Yeah. Ito kasi Korean, so siya na nag-decide.
가위바위보 이긴 사람 소원 들어주기 뽑아줘.
Bato, pick.
그러면 한 분 나오셔서 가위바위보 저한테 이기시면 그분의 소원을 들어드리겠습니다.
So bato pick, whoever will come up, who wrote this,
Yan
will
siya.
do it with me, and then yung wish niya will grant it.
Okay.
올라오시죠.
So please come up the stage.
Come up.
근데 가위바위보에서 지면은 소원 들어줄 수가 없어요.
Pero if you lost, then no more wish, okay?
Hindi ka naman naka-fake nails, no? Hindi mo tatanggal yan.
이길 자신 있으세요?
Are you sure you can win?
Hanggap sarap. Hanggap sarap?
한국 사람이요.
Okay. Okay, 안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요? 박진현이요. 박진현.
안녕하세요.
Went from Korea to here to watch? Yes. Okay. What do you think of the Philippine fans? Translate mo, Ara.
필리핀이 어떠신 것 같아요?
필리핀.
너무 열정적이야.
You're very passionate, that's why I was so surprised.
Do you also want to split? Okay. Topic.
가위바위보.
Alright.
3세판 아니면 단판이요.
So 3 or just 1?
오케이. 원, 단판.
So just 1, okay?
가위바위보. 제가 이기면 소원 들어주는 거 아니야?
So if I win, you'll grant my wish, right?
Alright. So gusto mong panalo siya.
소원이 뭐예요?
So what's your wish?
What's your wish?
셀카요?
Selfie, pero naiwan mo yung phone ko.
Sorry.
가지고 오면 되죠.
Well, can you just take it?
부탁해서
Ask for your phone.
Change. 그냥
앉는 걸로?
Okay.
Hug.
알겠습니다.
Umayag naman. So wala
Okay.
na pang magagawa. Alright. And 3, 2, and cue. Ayan, kapal. Kamsahamnida. Congratulations. Wow.
Thank you.
Yes, and of course, the 3 wishes were a success! Palakpakan naman natin ang mga chef and of course si Chemin. At dahil natupad ang 3 wishes, ano sinabi natin? Kapag makatatlo out of 5 na tama, meron tayong special gift from Chemin. And of course, the gift is Chemin to Time reenactment of Actor Chemin's famous scenes. Actually, for this one, Chemin will reenact in front of all of us a famous scene from a Filipino film.